Croatia beat, when we played 20 years ago, we beat Italy, we beat Germany 3-0 in Lyon. If somebody undervalue Croatian team, he can have big problem. We can control the ball. Today, who control more the ball have more time to score, more time to play. When I visit in hotel my football players, I saw in the eye hungry to win. If somebody asked 3 years ago, Russia, he will beat Spain, tika-taka, the best players on the world in Spain, winning a lot of trophies, everyone will say no. But football is it's the best sports in the world, and that's why we like not always winning the favorites, and that's why it's nice to be in the World Cup in Russia. And that's football. Small fish can eat big fish once, but not every day. Excellent World Cup, excellent organization. Chapeau, well done Russia, well done Russian Federation, well done Russian people. And we saw every day, I've been in the Rostov, Nizhny, St. Petersburg, Luzhniki, Spartak Stadium. I'm talking with my mommy every day, son, you know, how is food, how is hotel, you know, mommy is all the best for your son. And of course, I'm so glad. And thank you, and of course we will enjoy. And I would like to express for the Fan ID is the best experience for the whole country we can learn what Russia make. And I hope we can make in each country. And of course I hope, I don't want a game 0-0, 1-1, tough game, penalty kicks. I want to see a lot of goals and better team come through. Show the world I'm playing for my country. That's the best feeling in the world, and that's why kids, please dream come true, play for your national team, play hard and give all. We're respectful against Russia. It's the tough team. Sochi, he will be 99.3% Russian, and only 0.708% he will be Croatian. That means we are a small country, we're a respectful country, we're a country who is honored to play for your national team, for your national items, for your national flag, or for your national T-shirts. We know exactly how he played Russia. Russians know exactly how played the Croatia. Today is spying all around. Today is high definition technology. You can sign each corner, each penalty, each foul, how we produce the game, Russians of Croatians. But what is the more important, we will enjoy the World Cup game. We will enjoy Sochi. I've never been in Sochi. It's a beautiful country, beautiful city, and that's what I'm glad and why we're here, to enjoy football.